Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. It's been a while that I've not touched on this platform, but I hope that you guys are doing fine wherever you are watching this right now in the world. Much respect and much love goes out to you as always for continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV. You know how we do our thing over here on this platform. It has been such a busy week for me, but I just hope and trust that you guys had a wonderful weekend. I just want to wish for you all a productive week ahead and the months to come. You know what is going on in the world right now. It's very unpredictable about the future and what the future holds. But guess what? You just have to believe and put yourself in a position where you just think about yourself and think in a positive light and think in a way in which you don't think of giving up, if that makes sense. So much respect goes out to you as always, and much love and thanks for supporting Links of 007 TV as always. So bless up and have a productive day. Peace out.